A guardianship is when there's either a minor that comes into funds or an older individual over the age of majority, over 18, that needs someone to step in and take care of them for either financial or health care or both. So a guardian for a minor is a very common area that we work with, where someone's left assets to a minor beneficiary outright. Now, someone that's under 18 can't necessarily come into those funds, so the court appoints a guardian, quote unquote, of the estate for that minor beneficiary. So we help with that process. Additionally, an older individual, if they haven't done proper planning, if they haven't got power of attorneys in place, it's not that their loved ones won't want to step in and take care of them, but unfortunately they have to go through the guardianship process to be able to manage assets or to be able to make medical decisions. So we help with that process as well. You absolutely need to name a guardian for your minor children if you were to pass. Now, I always talk with clients about this. This is always a court proceeding, and frankly, you can't get away from that. But it's incredibly important to name under your last will and testament who you want to be as guardian for your children. And that is in the event that you and your spouse have passed away and you need someone to step in. So our law firm's a little different than other firms, where we do take a team-based approach, and it's all practical advice. So we're not interested in a transaction and we never see our clients again. We want to help them, empower them, so that frankly we can work with them long-term, and that if they need to, they can call us with questions. But in the guardianship administration area in particular, there's many, many years ahead that they may need additional help, and we just want them to know we're here if they need anything. During that initial consultation with an estate administration attorney or with a guardianship attorney, we do have a lot of questions to be answered. It is a process when you're dealing with the clerk of court, or what are the proper filings? How do I administer this so that I, as guardian, am abiding by the laws of North Carolina? There are very particular things that money can be spent on, money cannot be spent on. So being very clear from the outset, what are the guideposts that I need to be aware of? What do I need to keep track of as I go along, so that down the road, you're not tearing your hair out with the filings that are required by the court.